Okay, as you'll notice here, some of the specimens I've laid out to help get this job done. We're making pretty good progress. As I have removed the hose from the power steering, removed the main hose from the thermostat, as well as the little hose. And now it's pretty accessible. So what I envision doing here now is taking the 3 bolts out that hold it in, pulling it up and out of here, and putting the new one in there, and rehooking things back up. Imagine that. We'll see how it goes. All right, and for our next step, we're going to remove the, well, wait a minute. Where'd it go? Huh. It's not even, oh, that's right, I took it out. So with little to no fuss, here's the old one. And that's right, I got it out. I didn't remove the headlight assembly and drop the bumper down or take the belts off or any of that. I just moved the hoses out of the way and took the 3 bolts out of it and pulled it out. So as it turns out, doing a thermostat in a Ford Focus, there is a bright side to it. Just saying. In conclusion, it was not nearly as difficult as a lot of other videos made it seem to be. I was regretting having to do this, but I don't know. I looked in there and I was like, I don't see why we can't just get her done. So I did just that, and it's working great. Got the Air Burper 2000 hooked up. Doing a great job bleeding out the system. And you want to have your car either jacked up or parked on a hill. Mine's parked on an incline, so the front end's up. But it seemed to work good, and wasn't that hard to do in my opinion. So maybe don't overthink it. And while you're in here, you might as well grab yourself some WD-40 and give this a good spray, because that's really fun when that doesn't want to open. Anyway, yeah. Until next time, have a good one.
You wanna dance 'cause you likes the groove, so come on, fast, someone just watch the move.